The library explains the search for literature. Marie is a student at the South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences. She has to write an important seminar paper in the field of medical engineering. Unfortunately, she's never been concerned with how to find literature before. Marie learns from a fellow student that the library can help her. She is amazed by what the librarian explains to her. The librarian gives many tips for the preparation of the paper, for the search of literature, for the catalog, for databases, and also, how Marie should deal with the literature found. She shows Marie a form on the library's website which can be used to structure search terms. Now Marie can use her search terms to search for literature first in the online catalog Kai. There, she finds books, e-books, print and e-journals, articles, essays and databases. However, not everything is listed in Kai. Statistics, standards and laws are not listed there, but she can find these in databases. As this literature is incredibly important, Marie must also research subject databases. Both have a look at the catalog in a few databases, and find many hits with the search terms from the search matrix. There is nothing stopping her from a detailed search, which she can also do from home. Once she has found the literature, Marie has to check how to get it. Some titles can be borrowed or downloaded directly, others must be requested via the interlibrary loan service. Marie is excited, now she has a plan for her work. Knows how to find and obtain good literature on her subject. If she has further questions or any problems, she can contact the librarian, again at any time, for example during the research consulting hours, where the librarian can help her personally with her literature research. The librarian has one more tip for her. Marie can attend library training courses on citation or Zheavy to help her with processing the literature. The trainings are conducted on-site, online or as Moodle courses. Are you also searching for literature for your seminar paper, bachelor's or master's thesis? Do you have any further questions? Do you need help with research? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The library will help you.